We're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in of a delegation of opposition leaders currently at the Ghazipur border where farmers are protesting against the farm laws. We've seen several party representatives going to Ghazipur border and meeting with these protesters. Right now, you've got a delegation of representatives from different political parties, all of them currently at the Ghazipur border. These are live visuals that we're getting to you of parliamentarians. You can see Harsimrat Kaur there, also the likes of Kanimozhi representing the DMK visiting the protest site to express their solidarity with the farmers who are currently at the Ghazipur border. Remember that the entire area has been closed off in the sense that you see massive barricading also at the site. So these representatives, this delegation of MPs will have to walk right through to get to where the farmers are at. NCP, TMC, DMK, Akali Dal, these are just some of the parties whose MPs are currently there. A delegation, we understand, about 15 MPs who are currently at the Ghazipur border. Increasingly getting political, this particular farmer protest and the fight against the farm laws, as the opposition has been upping the ante to ensure that there is a detailed discussion in Parliament. They're now trying to also make their way to the protest site and meet with the agitating farmers. You see the kind of police deployment also present there. They're trying to figure out how to ensure that there is no drama that plays out at the site. Right in front there, you've got also several leaders, Tol Tirumavallavan also there, as are several other representatives from different political parties walking towards the protest site. As I mentioned, the entire area has completely been barricaded, which is why they're going to have to walk at least a few kilometers to get to the protest site. We've seen several political leaders visiting that particular area. Just a few days ago, Sanjay Raut was also there saying that what he was there for was to express solidarity and there wasn't a political visit. But this no doubt will in fact be a pressure tactic that the opposition intends for the government at a time when they have been saying that there must be a detailed discussion on the farmers' protest and their demand for a rollback of the farm laws in Parliament in both houses. Kumar Kunal is joining us live from Ghazipur border in Delhi. Kumar, a delegation of opposition MPs making their way to the protest site at the Ghazipur border as we speak. Has permission been given for this, or is there going to be some attempt to stop these MPs from meeting with the farmers?
See, so far we have no confirmation from the Delhi police side that, or the Uttar Pradesh police side, that is there any permission has been sought from these MPs for a meeting at Ghazipur border. But what has happened earlier also, several of the political party leaders have visited this site and they have shown their solidarity with the farmers' protest. Even what Harsimrat Kaur Badal has tweeted that she is coming along with 15 opposition MPs and she is going to take a view of the situation at this Ghazipur border agitation site. So all these things are now getting even the politicians involved. Several of the leaders have already visited the site after the 28th January episode when Rakesh Tikait has made an emotional speech and he was seen weeping on the camera as well. So now this Ghazipur site, protest site, has a great significance since Uttar Pradesh farmers are camping here and there were several of the panchayats even that have been held at various locations in Haryana and even Western UP. So all these things are now slowly but surely taking a political direction, and this visit can be seen in that context only. Since Parliament is in session, there are several parliamentarians who are raising the farmers' issue inside the House as well. So both inside the House as well as at these protest sites, they want to show their solidarity with the farmers' protest and the concerns and the issues being raised by farmers for last more than 70 days.
We've been seeing a lot of politics playing out on this issue, Kumar, so it's not surprising that we're seeing this kind of a development, particularly because in the last 1 week or so, we have seen several political parties, several representatives visiting the Ghazipur border or other border points to express their solidarity. And this is being done at a time when Parliament is in session to essentially put pressure on the government.
Yes, obviously, opposition party want to put pressure on the government within the parliament as well and even outside, because they know that the farmers' protest has at least made some ripples even in the national media, international media. For last 70 days, they are camping at several borders. So since the parliament is in session for next more than 10 days, so they want to make it clear that not only on the ground, not just the farmers who are protesting for their rights.
Okay, let's cut across. Kumar, stay with us. Cutting across to Harsimrat.
3 किलोमीटर तक ऐसे बैरिकेडिंग है, 3 किलोमीटर जो उनको अंदर दोनों तरफ से इस तरह बंद किया हुआ है, उन बेचारों के क्या हालात होंगे। और हम कह रहे हैं हमें आगे जाके देख लेने दीजिए। तो ये देखिए हमारे लिए एमपीज के लोगों के चुने हुए नुमाइंदों के लिए कैसे तैयार होके अपना बैठे हैं यहाँ पे हमें रोकने के लिए। तो क्या सरकार कहती है बात करें, फोन करें, कौन बाहर आके कर सकता है? ये तो वो है कि जेल से भी बदतर हालत आपने कर दी है उनको उधर कैद करके, ये अन्नदाता को, बेचारे गरीब किसान को। और वो क्या मांग रहा है कि आप ये कानून मेरे ऊपर लागू ना करिए जो आपने मेरे से बिना पूछे मेरे ऊपर थोप दिए और ये हालात कर दिए।
आप ये रिपोर्ट पार्लियामेंट में भी देंगे?
बिल्कुल, इसीलिए यहाँ पे आए कि हम इसकी पार्लियामेंट में चर्चा करना चाहते हैं। सरकार, स्पीकर साहब हमें करने नहीं दे रहे हैं। अब सारी पार्टियां इकट्ठे होकर उनको बताएंगे कि जाके देखिए क्या हालत है। और जब तब भी नहीं उठाने देते तो फिर जैसे किसानों की आवाज़ बाहर कुचली जा रही है, सांसदों की अंदर कुचली जाएगी, तो ये लोकतंत्र कहाँ है फिर?
So that is a reaction that's coming from Harsimrat Kaur Badal. She's claiming that this delegation is not being allowed past the barricades and it's about 3 kilometers away from the actual protest site. So she's saying that despite the fact that these are all elected representatives, the Delhi police has stopped them, and you can see those visuals on your screens of the MPs currently speaking with police representatives, trying to negotiate and ensure that they're allowed inside. However, it doesn't look like they're being given permission for the same. And remember, the kind of intense barricading that we've been seeing has ensured that MPs and anyone who really wants to visit will have to go by foot by at least 3 kilometers, because that's how far the barricading is from the actual protest site. It looks like they're moving forward now. We'll have to see if they actually are allowed to go ahead and reach that protest site. Taking this back across to Kumar. Kumar, any chance you've had to have a communication with the police? Because it looks like, as far as what Harsimrat Kaur Badal is saying, they're not being allowed to go actually inside, way past the barricades and meet with the protesters.
See, what police is claiming that since these there are security arrangements by Delhi police, I can show you the arrangements which have been made at the Ghazipur border right now, that barricades have been put up even at the nearby the protest sites. And there are several other measures which have been taken, like barbed wires and all these things. I can show you in my visuals that how some of the police personnel are standing, and even some other delegations, they are trying to cross over towards Ghazipur border, but they are not being allowed. I can show you through the visuals that a delegation has reached. It is the delegation which is supposed to meet the farmers and take view about the situation. But right now they are being kept on the other side of the barricades. These are the live pictures how the delegation has been stopped from coming towards the protest site. So this is the situation right now. There are several layers of barricading which stops anyone who is visiting to Delhi or to this protest site from Delhi. So these are the restrictions. I can show you the delegation is standing right behind the barricades, right behind the barbed wires. Even I can show you that DMK leader is there, and several other opposition party MPs are waiting outside the barricade. They have not been allowed to visit inside. So this is the exact position what Harsimrat Kaur Badal was talking about, that she has been stopped from visiting the protest site, which she wanted to visit along with the opposition MPs. So right now this is the situation at the Gazipur border. I can show you this picture, that how the delegation has been stopped. They are not being allowed inside. Even the security personnel are there to stop all the MPs who want to visit this site. So the things are, I won't tell you that things are tense, but they have been stopped. So I will try to visit that side of the barbed barricade, but it is difficult for us even to move from this side, this protest sites, towards the Gazipur, towards the Delhi
Kumar,
side.
Kumar, just tell us what's happening. Are they removing
nails which have been put up by Delhi police, these are being... Yeah. They are removing the nails. I can show you the live picture. They are removing nails. These nails have been put up just a few days ago, but now it has been removed by the authorities. These have been put up to stop the tractors, but most of the nails, I can show you, they are not standing. They are, earlier they were erected, but now the nails are being removed by the authorities. So this is a new development which is happening right now at the Gazipur border. Nails are being removed, and the delegation, I can show you once again the pictures of the delegation, which is being kept waiting at the outskirts only. There are several MPs who want to visit inside, but they are not being allowed. So two things are happening simultaneously. One, the MPs are being kept waiting outside the barricade, and the second thing, these nails which are being put up to stop any of the tractors which want to visit Delhi. These nails have been put up, but now they are being removed. So there is no communication why these nails are being removed, but I can see that some of the workers, they are putting their effort to stop, to remove these nails from the roads. Still, I can show you that the MPs are not being allowed. They are still standing amidst amidst high security cover, the police personnel, the paramilitary personnel. They are also standing along with, they are also making videos of the MPs, but they are not being allowed inside. So this is the situation which is coming up. Although what Harsimrat Kaur Badal has said earlier, that this is not being done, since they are elected representatives, they are member of parliament, and they should be allowed if they want to visit inside the protest site and they want to take view of the protest, then they should be allowed, but they are not being allowed. They are kept outside the barricade. So this is the situation. I can show you, Akshita, these are the live pictures which can show how the political temperature is even increasing here. And amidst all these things, the removal of these nails, it is a different story altogether, that how first police have put these nails on the roads to stop the tractors, and now without any notice, without any information, they are removing these nails from the road. So all these things are happening quite happening morning as far as Gazipur protest site is concerned. I can show you from other side as well. Some of the farmers, they are also gathered here. They are also looking that what all is happening. They are never being amidst the so much hype and the media coverage. The media coverage is going on. MPs are going to visit them. Nails are being removed without anything. So all these discussions are taking place at this protest site of Gazipur. So you can see how the situation is not tense, but quite
Yes, a lot of dramatic developments happening this morning. But as you're getting us those visuals, Kumar, you're telling us two big developments. One is beyond where Kumar Kunal is standing, about 4 layers of barricading, and post that, post the barbed fires, is where you see almost 15 MPs standing there trying to meet with the farmers. They're not being allowed to. They're being told that they cannot go further because the Delhi police fears that there could be some tension that breaks out. Remember that the situation is very fragile on the ground, so the Delhi police do not want to risk having things really go out of control. The MPs, however, their contention is that we are elected representatives. We have a right to meet with these protesting farmers, but they're not being allowed beyond those multiple layers of barricades. As we speak, as those MPs stand on one side, on the other side, which you see on your screens there, which we've been showing for the last few days, of how the Delhi police put up these iron nails on the ground to ensure vehicles can't go by, those are being removed by the administration now. What's prompted this move? A lot of questions will be asked, because right now, as we speak, those nails are being removed, and just a few meters away with layers of barricades are these MPs, are these members of parliament standing there trying to negotiate with the police and trying to enter into the protest site and meet with the protesting farmers. Looks unlikely that permission will be given for the same, because as I mentioned, the police has been saying the situation is very volatile. They cannot afford to take any chances. And amid this, questions over what's prompted the authorities now to remove some of those layers of security, which they said is needed to keep, which did also bring a lot of criticism of what was the need for this level of barricading, this level of security for protesting farmers. One layer being removed. We'll have to see if the barricades also are moved aside now. But at this point, the members of parliament who've gathered there are not being allowed in. So